toilets.
What's up, guys? We're gonna be using a.
I'm just gonna pour like so many eggs in there. I'm not even joking.
Okay. This time, can I not be in the microwave when it happens, please?
Yeah, you don't have. We should make so much, bro.
Yo, bro, should I get a cluster grenade?
Where my eggs at?
Should I get a cluster grenade?
I cannot find my modded eggs. Oh, here they are.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna bring it. Yo,
okay.
I just had a huge idea.
What?
What if we dump a bunch of eggs in there? You know how it turns them into chickens, and the chicken's got a nest with an egg. How about then?
Oh, and then we keep duping it.
Yeah,
every nest has an egg.
And then we get cluster grenades, and we kill the existing chickens, and we bring their eggs, and we put egg. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it.
All right, let's go. We're done. We're done.
Yo, wait. Yo, wait.
What?
I'm gonna bring 3 cluster bombs. Okay, come on, we can go now. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, brother? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's some big eyes.
I'm back. Alright, let's go. Hurry up, we gotta go. Let's go.
Yeah, bro, I wanna bathe in the radioactive fluids again. That was nice.
You wanna bathe in the radioactive fluids?
Yeah, it feels nice. You should try it. Don't.
Alright guys, today we're gonna be abusing the secret in air.
Whee! Hello.
No, don't bathe in that.
Ah!
Oh, I'm so heavy, bro. I'm like queso in the mix, bro.
Pot queso, pot egg. Yo, dude.
Bro, I hate how big this new map is, though. It's so hard to get place to place.
No!
Come on. You go.
Yo, my question is, will we have to power it again?
Bro, imagine if you like lived in Animal Company, though.
Oh yeah, and when you died, you no.
That
oh no, we don't have to power it again.
Yeah,
that's really helpful.
The microwave stays activated unless you pull this big plug right here.
I don't
like
think
what
you can
I'm
pull
about
that
to do. Yeah, you can. You can. Don't try it though. I've already tried it before. It works. Trust.
I mean,
microwave.
Yeah. 3 of my friends, 3 people, me and 2 of my friends, tried to pull that out. We couldn't.
You couldn't?
Yeah.
I could pull it out. Maybe that was just a glitch.
Yeah, I think it is a glitch. Yo, bro,
might catch it where you could pull it out though, because the or something.
Yo, also.
Especially in public lobbies.
Yo, do you realize?
I just took a plunge in radioactive shit slop. Okay, guys. So.
Should I pull the pin?
Yeah, just pull the pin and kill him, bro.
How the fuck is he not dead?
Oh.
Flip.
Oh, you got more. Okay. Here. Give me that. You don't use that one, huh?
He's dead.
Oh, and there's an extra egg in there? Bad.
Fine.
Come on, put the egg in.
You get out. Oh my gosh. Yo, Cameron's online.
I'm gonna start filming the video. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be abusing the secret glitch.
Bro, can I take a galaxy egg? Can I take a galaxy egg?
No! Hey! Bruh, put it back in.
I swapped it out for for an egg.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I don't care.
Okay,
Wait, I have to film the intro again because you messed it up, bro.
Yeah!
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Dude, don't mess it up. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be abusing the new secret Animal Company and
we are.
A bunch of chickens. We're going to be making a chicken warfare. Hopefully this doesn't go wrong.
Yeah. Being a crowd warrior really helps.
Alright, chat, hold on. Gotta go up my little device. Alright. Alright, put that all the way up. Oh shoot, guys!
It's magic.
It's magic.
It's a magical. It's
Oh,
a brand new
There's gonna
day.
be so many chickens.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, no.
Yeah, there's
Oh,
also
it's
a
cooked.
loot crate in there. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Oh, it's
to that.
cooked. Oh, it's cooked. No.
Literally.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yo, bro, the loot crate's gonna open, I think.
I'm scared.
It's a weird microwave.
Wait. No, we gotta turn it up. That's why nothing's happening.
Oh, yo, one chicken hat. Ah!
shoot.
Start up in the top.
Turn it up. Turn it back on. Oh, and actually, I'm just gonna cut to the part where all the chickens are hatched. Not even gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut this bit out.
Oh, shoot! There's multiple eggs that are gonna hatch. Look at all them.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, this one's gonna hatch. That one's gonna hatch. That one's gonna hatch. Oh, shoot!
Bro, can we turn this off?
I already turned it all the way up. Wait, no, it's not. Who turned it down?
I don't know.
Hold on, wait. Oh, shoot, no, this is already mad. Alright, I think they're both done. Oh, shoot, turn it on! Here's the chicken.
They're gonna
Where's
go
the chicken?
kaboom.
There's another
Yes,
chicken
sir.
somewhere. Where? Where's the second one?
Look, there's two chickens in there.
Oh, shoot, it's a two-headed chicken, bro.
Wait, is it?
It's gotta be.
Oh,
Oh,
gee! Close it! Quickly! Ow! He bit me! He bit me! Bro, hit it with the cluster grenade! You can't get out now, then you boo-boo. Can I? Oh, bro! Yo, dude. Wait.
Oh yeah, there's a button.
Okay, that should be
There's
in
the
there.
button.
I've already pressed it. You're alive now. Bro, we got an egg! What the hell? Bro, look, it's a jelly egg! It's a jelly egg.
What the heck? Wait, let me.
Bro,
Oh,
dude, press the button again! Bro, I'm gonna keep this jelly egg.
No, wait, give me the jelly egg. I want to see it.
Bro, just shake it around.
Oh, shoot.
It's so hot. Oh my god!
I died from the explosion.
Oh, did you?
The jelly egg. No, the jelly egg's on. Oh, shoot. Jelly backpack.
Oh, they're escaping! They're escaping! I can't help you, they will escape!
Help me.
I can't! They escaped!
Yo, I'm a tiny jelly backpack, bro.
Yo, hold on.
I have to turn it on again. Turn it on again. No, leave it on me now. No, I'm behind you. Give me. Look, I want to show you my jelly backpack.
Here, look at my jelly backpack. Did you hold it?
Bro, I want a jelly hook shot.
A jelly hook shot? I don't know why I bounced
Bro! Yo, bro, Mr. Bugs must have released the house. Ah! They're breaking the door! Bro, you're gonna close the door! He bit me!
Go on the door again, bro. Go on the door.
bro, you keep dying.
Shoot. I'm scared, bro.
Yo, look! Jelly egg! Jelly egg!
Alright,
Yay!
it's because the microwave's on.
Bro, this is a mega jelly egg.
The microwave's on.
Oh, run! Run, buddy, run! Oh, you dead again.
Watch out! They're vicious, bro.
Bro, they're mad that we made them.
He jumped up in the door, bro. Yo,
Dumb chicken boy. Chicken stars. I'm gonna turn them all into chicken stars. Ah! Bro, look at your body. Look at your body. It's just spinning. I can't.
Close the door! Help me! Just risk it! Risk it! Risk it! Help me!
Yeah. Oh my god. Ah! Bro, you're gonna have to... Ah! The door's broke. I'm back with the grenade. No, bro, I couldn't do it.
Alright, bro, let's teach those chickens a lesson.
Yeah, you teach those chickens a lesson.
Welcome to the dark side.
Bro, they should make it so when the chicken gets put in the microwave twice, it becomes a chicken nugget.
Bro, what?
No, it becomes a chicken stars. I'm gonna go out shooting. Ah! Oh my lordy lord. I died to the explosion.
Those chickens are doomed, bro. They don't want to see my dark side.
You're not that guy, bro. You're not that guy.
Yes, I am. I'm always that. I'm gonna turn the thing on so you can't get in when you die.
No!
That's what I thought. Who's the alpha now?
You What are you goofballs? I'm a goofy.
Yeah, bark for me.
Woof, mother clocker.
What did you just say to the house?
Nothing.
Yep, I'm turning it.
Nuh-uh. 'Cause I'm the alpha signal man.
The microwave turned off!
What?
It's off!
Wait. It has no power. Dang it, it has no power.
We played with it for too long, now it has... I'm not doing that puzzle again.
Neither am I.
I've done Willy once.
Right, yo, bro, just kill all the chickens. Cause
I'm gonna go get it.
I died to the explosion. Where's my bag? I killed one out of the thousands of chickens. Oh yeah. Out
What
there.
happened to the door?
Oh, it broke. Bro, we need an RPG.
Alright, bro, I'm getting off. I'm
Bye.
done with this. I'm gonna go edit the video.
Same. I gotta do that.
Yeah,
Bro,
What?
I'm gonna try and look for I'm gonna try and go kill chickens.
Alright.
Boom spear. No. Boom spear. Thank you. Spending all my money on hook shots and boom spears. Don't need a hook shot. Bro, respect all the people who go to office without a hook shot. They're just built different. Like me, I got so used to using a hook shot, I can't really move without one. I mean, I kinda can, but I can't really move that far. Me and my boom spear must climb to heaven. It's not really heaven in this place. It's kind of the opposite. I'm gonna go blow up some chickens. I'ma turn them into chicken stars. Chicken stars! They're gonna go kaboom. They're gonna go kaboom. They're gonna go. I must not turn the microwave on. I can't really because without power and I'm not doing that puzzle again. Let's see if I can get a jelly egg. One part I don't like about this map is it's so damn big. Like, bro, for real. It's huge. Like, bigger than your mop. JK. My mom's probably a nice lady. I'm saying probably because there's all the Karens out there. How is this making noise? Nobody's even operating it. Shut up. I'm pretty sure you can only microwave 1 power per server, or probably whatever. Is there anything else you can do with a microwave? Or is it just like scrambled eggs? Should I say scrambled chicken? Because that's what they turn into. Ooh! No! 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 It's time. I can't let the chickens get the better of me. I think they should add a weight removal item. So it can either be held in your hand or put in your back. Okay, so I need to... I still hear chickens. No! Why? Why game? Why must you let me? This isn't the real tag. I shouldn't really be trying that, but it can work. No! I scream too much. Maybe I could use that. I have an idea. Dang it, some of them are still alive. There it is. I'm just hoping that my jelly bag fell. How did it go into a box? Okay. Jelly egg? No jelly egg! There's just so much. Too much. I mean, I got an egg. It's not jelly though. And that makes me sad. It's jelly? No. Yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Well, maybe not today's, because I just got, yeah. Peace out and goodbye. Bye.